friends, welcome back to Journalism and Mass Communication channel, and today we are going to learn about the communication process. This is a fundamental concept in journalism and mass communication, so let's break it down into step by step. Communication. We have learned about communication in our previous video, but we'll have a quick revision. What is communication? Before starting, communication comes from the Latin words, which means working as one. And communication simply means the act of sending and receiving messages to an individual or a group of people. That means it is a process of exchanging ideas, thoughts, feelings, and use of common symbols to communicate. In this flow chart, you can see the communication process. So we will discuss about each concept in detail. So the first word is stimulus. A stimulus is something that triggers a reaction. It means it causes a need to communicate. Thus, there must be a stimulus for communication to occur. Imagine when a sender receives a stimulus to send a message, the brain begins to process what needs to be conveyed, and that process of acting on a stimulus is called encoding. Now let's talk about the sender and receiver. The sender is the person who initiates the communication process. That means it is the starting point. This could be a person, a company, or even a machine. They have a message they want to convey. And then we have a receiver. Receiver is the person who receives the message, and the receiver is the target of the communication. They are the one who will hopefully understand and respond to the message. Feedback. Feedback is a crucial part of the communication process. It lets the sender know if their message was received and understood correctly. It can also help to clarify misunderstanding. Noise. Anything that interferes with the communication process. Noise is anything that can disrupt the communication process. This could be physical noise like background noise or psychological noise like distraction or biases. Now let's have a wrap up. A stimulus is something that triggers a reaction. That means when you are thinking about something and all of a sudden you just get a trigger that okay, this thing needs to be done, or this thing needs to be have something to communicate on. So that is a stimulus. Then we have the sender that encodes the message by turning the codes into a mutual language. Then we have a receiver who will decode the message and interpret and respond to that message given by the sender. Then the reaction or response of the receiver will be called as a feedback. And then we have noise, that means anything which is disrupting the message either by any barrier or hindrance that prevents the message from being understood. So friends, thank you for listening to my video, and if you like my video then please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel for more communication tips and tricks. And once again, thank you for watching my video.